Every pistol has a complaint: stiff slide, trigger, reset, feeding issues, something that's accepted as normal. Except I kept running into 7 that didn't fit that pattern. Owners who put thousands of rounds through them with nothing to report. Instructors who recommend them without hesitation. Reviewers who ran out of things to criticize. 7 pistols across different sizes, different purposes that the shooting community has collectively stopped complaining about. Here's why that matters more than any spec sheet. This video is for educational purposes only and does not promote harm or unsafe use of firearms. Number 7. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Let me be clear, this isn't just another compact pistol trying to fit into a crowded market. This is the gun that forced everyone else to step up. The Springfield Hellcat Pro didn't earn its reputation through marketing hype. It earned it on the range, in real hands, under real pressure. Built as an evolution of the original Hellcat, this pistol took everything shooters demanded: capacity, control, concealability, and fused it into something brutally efficient. No gimmicks. No compromises. Here's where it separates itself. You're looking at a slim-profile handgun that somehow carries like a micro-compact, but shoots like a full-size. The grip texture bites just enough to stay locked in without tearing your hands apart. The trigger? Clean, consistent, and predictable. No surprises, no hesitation. And that optics-ready slide? It's not just modern, it's necessary. But here's the truth most people won't say out loud. This gun solves problems. Recoil management is tight. Follow-up shots feel natural. And reliability? It just runs. No drama. No excuses. That's why you almost never hear complaints. Because when a firearm disappears in your carry, performs on demand, and never gives you a reason to doubt it, people stop criticizing, and they start trusting. And in the real world, that trust is everything. And when you push it harder, rapid fire, stress drills, real defensive pacing, it doesn't fall apart like many compact pistols do. It stays stable, predictable, and controlled even when your heartbeat is racing. That's the real test. Not calm range days, but chaos. And this is where the Hellcat Pro quietly proves it belongs in serious carry conversations. Number 6. Taurus G3 Tactical. Let me tell you something most people overlook. The Taurus G3 Tactical wasn't supposed to compete at this level, but it did, and it shocked everyone. This isn't a legacy brand riding decades of military contracts. This is a pistol that fought its way into relevance by delivering performance where it actually counts. Taurus took everything people criticized in their past designs and flipped the script completely. What you get here is a full-size tactical platform that feels aggressive in the hand, yet surprisingly controlled when it fires. The ergonomics are dialed in, the grip angle feels natural, and the trigger, especially for its price range, breaks cleaner than it has any right to. Now here's where it earns that zero complaints reputation. It just works, round after round, no constant tuning, no babysitting. The threaded barrel, optics-ready slide, and high-capacity design make it feel like a premium build without the premium price tag. And that's the part that really changes things. Because when shooters expect less and get more, trust builds fast. This isn't about hype anymore, it's about consistency. In real-world use, whether at the range or in a defensive role, it delivers stability, control, and confidence. And when a gun quietly proves itself over time without giving people something to complain about, that's when it earns its place on a list like this. And the surprising part? It doesn't feel like a budget compromise when you actually run it hard. The gun holds its rhythm, stays accurate under pressure, and doesn't punish the shooter for pushing limits. That's why many people who start skeptical end up respecting it. Because performance like this, at this price, is hard to ignore. Number 5. HK VP9. Here's the truth. Some pistols don't need hype because their reputation is already carved in steel. And the HK VP9 is exactly that kind of firearm. Built by Heckler Koch, a company known for engineering that borders on obsessive, this pistol was designed with one goal: perfection through control. From the moment you pick it up, it feels different. The grip isn't just comfortable, it's customizable, almost like it adapts to your hand rather than the other way around. And then there's the trigger, smooth, crisp, and incredibly consistent, making every shot feel deliberate. But what really sets the VP9 apart is how it behaves under pressure. The recoil impulse is soft, the slide cycles like glass, and the accuracy, it's surgical. This isn't a gun you fight against, it's one that works with you. And that's why complaints are almost non-existent. Because when a firearm delivers this level of refinement straight out of the box, there's nothing left to fix, nothing left to argue about, It's reliable in the way professionals demand no drama, no unpredictability, just pure performance. In real-world scenarios, that translates to confidence you don't have to think about. And when a gun reaches that level, it stops being just a tool and becomes something you depend on without question. Even in extended shooting sessions, where fatigue starts affecting grip and focus, the VP9 maintains its composure. It doesn't shift unpredictably, and it doesn't lose its smooth character. Instead, it stays consistent, like a precision instrument. That level of repeatability is exactly why experienced shooters trust it in high-pressure environments without hesitation. Number 4. FN 509 Compact Tactical. Now this is where things get serious, because the FN 509 Compact Tactical wasn't built for casual shooters. It was engineered with combat DNA running through it. This platform comes from a lineage tied to military trials, where failure isn't an option and every component is pushed to its limit. And you can feel that the moment it's in your hand. The construction is solid, almost overbuilt, like it's prepared for conditions most people will never experience. But here's what really stands out. It's not just tough, it's refined. The optics-ready system integrates seamlessly, the suppressor height sights are there when you need them, and the threaded barrel adds a level of versatility most compacts don't offer. When it fires, the recoil is controlled, not snappy, and the accuracy stays consistent, shot after shot. It doesn't drift, it doesn't surprise you, it stays locked in. And that's exactly why complaints are almost non-existent. Because this gun wasn't made to impress on paper, it was made to perform under pressure. In real-world use, that translates to absolute confidence. You're not questioning it, you're not adjusting to it, you're relying on it. And when a firearm reaches that level of trust, where everything just works exactly how it should, people stop criticizing, and they start respecting it. In real defensive thinking, this matters because under stress, complexity kills performance. But this platform simplifies everything into instinct. Draw, aim, press, repeat. No confusion, no mechanical uncertainty. It's built so that even in worst-case scenarios, your focus stays on the threat, not the firearm itself. Number 3. Walther PDP Compact. But here's where precision meets pure modern aggression. The Walther PDP Compact isn't just another striker-fired pistol. It's a performance machine built for shooters who demand more. Walther didn't rush this design. They studied how people actually shoot, how hands naturally grip, how recoil travels through the frame, and then engineered this pistol around that reality. The result? Something that feels almost unfair the moment you press the trigger. The ergonomics are on another level, with deep, aggressive texture that locks your hand in place like it's glued. And that trigger, it's one of the best out-of-the-box striker triggers on the market. Short take-up, crisp break, and a reset so fast it almost feels automatic. Now here's the part that explains the zero complaints reputation. It performs exactly how you expect it to, every single time. The slide serrations are massive, easy to grab under stress, and the optics-ready system is built for real use, not just looks. On the range, it tracks flat, returns to target fast, and gives you that rare feeling of total control. There's no fighting the gun, no adjusting your grip mid-string, it just works with you. And when a pistol reaches that level of synergy between shooter and machine, there's simply nothing left to complain about. And when you start running faster strings, transitions between targets become effortless. The gun tracks naturally, almost guiding your follow-up shots without resistance. It feels less like you're controlling recoil and more like the system is already returning itself to target. That's rare, and it's exactly why serious shooters respect it so much. Number 2, Glock 48. Now let's talk about something different. Not flashy, not overbuilt, but brutally efficient. The Glock 48 is proof that simplicity, when perfected, becomes untouchable. This isn't a gun designed to impress you on day one. It's designed to earn your trust over time. Glock didn't reinvent anything here, and that's exactly why it works. The slimline frame makes it disappear when you carry it, yet it still gives you enough grip to stay in control when it matters. The balance feels natural, almost instinctive, like the gun knows where you want to aim before you do. And the internals? Classic Glock minimal, durable, and built to run under conditions that would choke other pistols. Here's the reality. It's not the softest shooter, it's not the most advanced, and it doesn't try to be, but it fires every time. No drama, no tuning, no second guessing. And that's where the zero complaints reputation comes from. Because when something just works day after day, year after year, people stop nitpicking. In real-world carry, that kind of consistency is everything. You don't think about it, you don't worry about it, you just trust it. And trust like that isn't given. It's earned through absolute reliability. Even after thousands of rounds, the simplicity keeps paying off. There's nothing complicated to break, nothing over-engineered to fail. It's a platform built around discipline and function. And in real carry life, that means peace of mind. You don't worry about adjustments, you just trust the gun and focus on what matters. Number 1. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield X. And finally, this is the one that quietly earned its place without needing. Attention, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield X. No hype, no noise, just performance that speaks for itself. Smith & Wesson refined this platform over years, listening to real shooters, fixing real issues, and what you get now is something incredibly polished. The moment it sits in your hand, it feels balanced, controlled, and purpose-built for everyday carry. The grip texture is firm without being aggressive, giving you confidence without discomfort. And the trigger? Noticeably improved clean break, smooth pull, and a reset that keeps you in rhythm. But here's what really matters. It delivers consistency. Shot after shot, it stays predictable, manageable, and accurate. It doesn't try to be flashy or over-engineered. It focuses on doing everything right. That's why complaints are almost non-existent. Because when a firearm fits naturally into your routine, performs under pressure, and never gives you a reason to doubt it, there's simply nothing to criticize. In real-world terms, this is reliability you don't have to think about. It's the kind of pistol you carry every day, not because it stands out, but because it never lets you down. And in everyday concealed carry, that consistency becomes everything. Whether it's cold mornings, long hours, or sudden defensive awareness situations, the Shield X stays predictable. It's not trying to impress, it's trying to disappear into your life while staying ready. And that silent reliability is exactly what makes it dangerous in the best way possible. Outro. So, now the question is simple. Out of these 7 pistols with absolutely zero complaints, which one are you trusting with your life? Drop your pick in the comments. I want to know what you'd carry and why. And if you respect performance over hype, reliability over trends, hit subscribe, because this channel is built for real shooters. Because at the end of the day, the best gun isn't the most popular one. It's the one that never fails you when it matters most.